Welcome to DrivenDaily, your go-to channel for everything on wheels. From rugged off-roaders to advanced military machines, we dive deep into the specs, performance, and real-world applications of vehicles that define power and precision. In today's video, we're exploring the 2025 lineup of military trucks, a category that's evolved massively in recent years thanks to cutting-edge technology, improved mobility, and smarter design built for modern combat and logistics missions. Military trucks have always played a crucial role in armed forces around the world, serving not just as transportation tools but also as lifelines in complex terrains and high-pressure scenarios. The 2025 models reflect a new standard in military engineering. This year, manufacturers have focused heavily on modular design, hybrid powertrains, increased payload capacities, and improved crew safety. One standout across several 2025 military trucks is the use of hybrid electric drivetrains. These systems not only reduce the acoustic and thermal signatures of the vehicle, making them harder to detect, but also offer better fuel efficiency. This means extended mission duration and less dependency on supplied convoys, which is a critical advantage in combat scenarios. Trucks like the JLTV variants and newer armored logistics carriers have implemented battery systems that allow for short bursts of silent operation. Another major advancement is modularity. 2025 trucks are no longer locked onto one function. With a base chassis, militaries can rapidly convert these platforms into troop carriers, command centers, medical evacuation vehicles, or mobile repair units. Quick change modules allow units in the field to adapt to different needs without calling for new vehicles entirely. This not only saves money but improves readiness and flexibility. The suspension systems have seen remarkable evolution. Adaptive suspension that can respond to changing terrain in real time is now a core feature in many trucks. Whether the vehicle is traversing deserts, rocky inclines, snow, or urban environments, the ride is more stable and comfortable for the crew. It also increases speed and agility, which is essential when evading enemy fire or navigating tight spots. Armor protection is another focus. Composite armor and V-shaped hulls are now standard in many 2025 models to deflect blasts and provide better protection from mines and mines. The integration of these safety features without compromising on speed or payload is a testament to the engineering prowess behind this year's designs. Some trucks even offer remote-controlled weapons stations, allowing crew members to defend their position without exiting the safety of the vehicle. In terms of payload, 2025 trucks have been optimized to carry more while maintaining balance and fuel efficiency. Advanced materials like reinforced aluminum and high-tensile steel have allowed engineers to increase structural strength while reducing unnecessary weight. This means these trucks can carry heavier loads, from ammunition and supplies to avalanche systems or even light armored vehicles. Driver assistance and automation are also playing bigger roles. Many of the 2025 military trucks feature semi-autonomous capabilities like terrain scanning, obstacle detection, convoy following systems, and emergency braking. These not only reduce driver fatigue during long missions but also enhance safety and operational efficiency. AI-based software also allows for better route planning and risk assessment in real time, which could be a game changer during complex operations. One fascinating development is the inclusion of networked communication systems that link every vehicle in a convoy. This means if one truck detects an obstacle or threat, the entire group is immediately alerted. This networked awareness greatly reduces reaction time and improves overall mission coordination. Trucks can also sync with drones and satellite feeds to provide a full battlefield picture. Cooling systems have also been upgraded, especially for vehicles operating in desert or tropical conditions. High-efficiency radiators and climate control for crew cabins ensure both engine and personnel stay functional under extreme heat. Likewise, thermal management for batteries and electronic systems has become more sophisticated, increasing the truck's durability and mission uptime. Let's not forget about maintenance. 2025 models are designed with easier access panels, built-in diagnostics, and even predictive maintenance software that can alert crews to upcoming component failures before they happen. This helps prevent breakdowns in the field and extends the service life of each vehicle. Fuel options have also diversified. While traditional diesel engines are still in use, many trucks now run on JP8 or biofuel blends, and a few experimental units are testing hydrogen fuel cells. This diversification ensures operational flexibility across different theaters of operation and reduces the carbon footprint of military logistics. From an ergonomic standpoint, the crew cabins are now far more comfortable and safer. Shock-absorbing seats, digital instrument clusters, 360-degree camera systems, and improved visibility help reduce stress and enhance awareness. Communication within the cabin has been streamlined, and controls are designed for ease of use even with gloves or under pressure. For countries investing in defense, these trucks are more than just equipment. They are multi-role platforms that support everything from combat to humanitarian missions. The 2025 lineup shows a clear shift towards smarter, greener, and more versatile vehicles that redefine how militaries operate on the ground. This evolution is driven by both necessity and innovation. With changing warfare tactics, climate challenges, and global logistics demands, the military truck of today must do more than ever before, and the 2025 range rises to that challenge with technology that blends toughness with intelligence. Thank you for watching this in-depth look at the 2025 military truck lineup. If you're passionate about vehicles that push the limits of engineering and design, make sure to subscribe to DrivenDaily, where we bring you the latest insights on military tech, off-road beasts, electric vehicles, and more. Stay tuned, stay informed, and stay driven.